Let's create these two beautiful betel leaf decoration ideas. Take a cardboard ring. Now let's create design 1. Shape the betel leaves and staple it. Now do the marking to place the betel leaf shapes. Now place the double-sided tapes to place the betel leaves. Now arrange the betel leaves one by one. Make sure all the leaves are evenly spaced. Secure them so that they stay in place. Now let's decorate it with fresh flowers. Add white flowers for that elegant look. Alternate the flowers colors for a balanced look to complete the design. Our first decoration is ready. Now let's make second design. Arrange the betel leaves and staple it one by one. This time we are creating a different flower pattern. To keep the flowers in place, use double-sided tape. Now start placing the white flowers along with purple flowers neatly in a circle one by one. Adjust the flowers until everything looks even. Now our second decoration is ready. Both designs are simple, elegant and perfect for Varamahalakshmi Pooja. Which one did you like? Comment 1 or 2 and don't forget to subscribe for more festive DIY